Nigeria is an agricultural country in West Africa with 70.8 million hectares of agricultural land area, with maize, yam, cassava, beans, rice, millet, guinea corn being the major crops. Agriculture remains the largest sector in the country, contributing an average of 24% to the nation's GDP and employs more than 36% of the country's labor force. The population of the country is projected to be over 250 million, with the Hausas, Igbo, and Yoruba as the three most populous ethnic nations in the country. I am from an Igbo village in Enugu State, Nigeria, but I've lived among other Igbo people in different villages. I want to show you all village life in Igbo land. Igbo land is located in southeastern Nigeria. It is home to the Igbo people, one of Africa's most populous ethnic nations, with an estimated population of over 50 million people. 65% of the population live in rural areas. Agriculture is considered the economic backbone in rural Igbo land. The principal natural resources in most of the villages are fertile land and water. Those who live in the forest area and the dry land engage heavily in farming, while those who live in riverine communities and swamp forest area engage in both farming and fishing. In many Igbo villages, most of the farmers engage in small-scale and medium-scale farming. Corn, rice, cassava, cocoyam, yam are some of the major farm produce of the people. Life in the rural area are very simple, but most of the challenges facing the people are lack of good and quality health care, lack of potable and safe drinking water, and accessibility. Most of the villagers lack access road, making it difficult for them to transport their farm produce to the city.